Hello everyone. Question is you are building an API that will be used by Android and iOS apps. The API must support HTTPs, minimize bandwidth cost, integrate easily with mobile apps. Which API architecture should you use? Option A RESTful APIs. Option B MQTT for APIs. Option C gRPC based APIs. Option D SOAP based APIs. Correct answer is option A. Question is your application takes an input from a user and publishes it to the user's contacts. This input is stored in a table in Cloud Spanner. Your application is more sensitive to latency and less sensitive to consistency. How should you perform reads from Cloud Spanner for this application? Option A perform read-only transactions. Option B performs tail reads using single read methods. Option C performs strong reads using single read methods. Option D performs tail reads using read-write transactions. Correct answer is option D. Question is your application is deployed in a Google Kubernetes Engine GKE cluster. When a new version of your application is released, your CI/CD tool updates the spec.template.spec.containers within bracket 0.image value to reference the Docker image of your new application version. When the deployment object applies the change, you want to deploy at least one replica of the new version and maintain the previous replicas until the new replica is healthy. Which change should you make to the GKE deployment object shown below? Option A set the deployment strategy to rolling update with max surge set to 0, max unavailable set to 1. Option B set the deployment strategy to rolling update with max surge set to 1, max unavailable set to 0. Option C set the deployment strategy to recreate with max surge set to 0, max unavailable set to 1. Option D set the deployment strategy to recreate with max surge set to 1, max unavailable set to 0. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is you plan to make a simple HTML application available on the internet. This site gives information about FAQs for your application. The application is static and contains images, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You want to make this application available on the internet with as few steps as possible. What should you do? Option A upload your application to cloud storage. Option B upload your application to an App Engine environment. Option C create a Compute Engine instance with Apache Web Server installed. Configure Apache Web Server to host the application. Option D containerize your application first. Deploy this container to Google Kubernetes Engine GKE and assign an external IP address to the GKE pod hosting the application. Correct answer is option A. Question is your company has deployed a new API to App Engine standard environment. During testing, the API is not behaving as expected. You want to monitor the application over time to diagnose the problem within the application code without redeploying the application. Which tool should you use? Option A Stackdriver Trace. Option B Stackdriver Monitoring. Option C Stackdriver Debug Snapshots. Option D Stackdrivers Debug Log Points. Correct answer is option B. Question is you want to use the Stackdriver logging agent to send an application's log file to Stackdriver from a compute engine virtual machine instance. After installing the Stackdriver logging agent, what should you do first? Option A enable the error reporting API on the project. Option B grant the instance full access to all cloud APIs. Option C configure the application log file as a custom source. Option D create a Stackdriver logs export sync with a filter that matches the application's log entries. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.